Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to go over my nighttime routine. So, I recently purchased a few new items off of a shop, and this turns all different colors, and it also switches. It blinks, it does all sorts of stuff. This one's my favorite. It turns, I like this one too a lot, it's really peaceful. There's my light in my room, and here is my water fountain, and here is a glass kind of decoration you want to put it, and there is a seahorse. So I also have a second light right here, which is really nice for nighttime because it makes things really smooth and seamless. And if you want to see what else I own, here is my humidifier. This I got off of Temu, and it was a great purchase because now in the winter time I won't be having so many problems. And my parents have another humidifier, but I just bought this one to make it more fun. So here's my humidifier. I'm going to turn it off. And on the back of my phone, I have a little gummy bear. I thought that was super cute. It's super stylish. It's blue. If I turn on the light, you'll be able to see it better. There's my gummy bear on the back of my phone. And I also have fake candles up above my dresser. I thought it was so nice, and there's one of my accomplishments, my diploma, and I also have right here my little fountain. Now this is super cute and nice because it turns all different colors. It's really relaxing when I just want to unwind. And if you get a picture of the whole room, I also have a keyboard. I do play piano. I write music. The song I wrote you could hear. And here is a nighttime routine. So I just like turning on a little bit of these fun things just to put me in a better mood. And it also brightens up the day after I had a long day, either running errands, shopping, going to appointments, or whatever else I have going on. It's nice to come back to a house that's super clean and has I have nice fun things in it. And I think I mentioned I might do a room tour or room remodel because I'm going to get new sheets, new comforter, and new pillows to kind of make this turn. This is a white room right now. You can see it's all white. I'm going to make it into more of a blue, so that's going to be blue. The pillows are going to be blue. So, if you're interested in that, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.